How to mark as read on Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make the books mark as read. So first of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this library icon. Simply tap on library. So this is the section where all your downloaded books are. So all the downloaded and the ones that you are reading will pop up here. Now after you finish reading, you can simply tap on it and enable mark as read. So simply tap and hold onto it. Now here on the right top, you can see this three dot icon. Tap on this three dot icon. Now on the first option, you can see mark as read. Simply tap on mark as read. So it will be enabled as mark as read, and it will give you the idea that you have already read this book. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.